Hello people, welcome back to Friday Night Garage Night. The roof is off, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Okay people, this is where we are. It's all been cut out, it's all braced here to keep this part level, you know what I mean, otherwise it starts to fold back. So that's what we're going to do now. We'll cut this back a wee bit more because we want to get it tight to this edge as we possibly can, because that's where all the strength is, along here. There's a flange underneath that which is part of the roof that comes across in here, you can see it there, along there. So we're going to keep this flange here, up here. But like I say, we'll cut it back slightly, and then on the roof itself you can see this top lip here, that's part of the roof itself, and then this lip here is part of the body. So it's slightly different to compared to the saloon. So, but that's all in my favour, because what we've done with the saloon roof, if we've kept the two, the part of the body and part of the roof together, so when it's seam welded in the factory, that produces a watertight seal. So we've kept that on there, because what we're going to do is we'll spot weld it to this bottom lip along the bottom here, and also inside this channel here, inside there, and then along the top here. So we've finished cutting this edge off, and then we'll come back to you to let you see as we're going on. Okay, so enjoy. Alright buddy, my boys and girls, welcome back. This is done for the night. As you can see, we've got the roof on. A lot better. Happy with that. Put some tacks in just now. Same again in the front with the spot welder, but I need to get smaller ends for the spot welder because they're far too wide. So we're going to get some thinner ones for that, longer ones for the front. We've tacked the other side as well. You can see along the top, it's how to step through, nice and flush in there. So we can get some cleats, whatever they're called, in there, and get some TIG welding done along the back there, along that back of that roof. So yeah, so that's really happy with that. As you can see, the old one, and it's like paper, man. That's like paper. There's no way we can do that. So like I say, we'll continue weld that all along here, and then dress this back.
It's quite a good colour match.
Yeah, yeah. It's not. So we'll just dress all this back. We'll just all weld it in. Dress it back. I can either leave it like that, like the saloon, or you can buy the new drip welds from underneath. So my options are there. But I'm happy with that though. It's turned out. That's absolutely solid now. It's a lot better. It actually went better than I thought it would go, but no, I'm happy with that. So hope you've seen what you're doing tonight, and we'll catch you again next week. See you later. Bye bye.